Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model this cartoon character. The name of the character is Goofy. This is a Disney Goofy character. The name of the character is Goofy. Goofy Mickey Mouse. I have modeled Mickey Mouse in my channel. If you want to see that, go in my playlist and see. I have created over 100 characters. You can see the playlist. Go video inside of the video is playlists. See the in playlist. See the characters. All my characters. You will get my idea. I have modeled in Maya also and in Blender also. So let's model this Goofy today. Let's start.
Do you hear that? My sanity about to break while everyone I know's out. On a trip, on a boat, on a lake. I'm tired of feeling all FOMO. Babe, I don't even care if we stay home. Put our to-do list on ice. Crank the AC to 79 and make a little island right here.
Hello friends, that's it. So this was the reference I was using and this is our model. This was the reference and this is our model. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.